Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. I recently uploaded a video of how to prepare a cookie base for pie or cheesecake in my channel. And as I promised, today we're going to prepare a Nutella chocolate pie without an oven. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare it, we need half a cup of Nutella chocolate, 1 bar of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of whipped cream, and mini Oreos cookies to decor. We add the cream cheese, add the half a cup of sugar, add the whipped cream, and now we're going to add the Nutella chocolate. Now we mix. The mixture for the pie is ready. It will be beating until the mixture looks like this. Now we're going to add the mixture to the cookie base. We throw it in, and now what we will do is shape it for our Nutella chocolate pie. We have already shaped the pie. What you can do is decor it with the topping you prefer. For example, peanuts, vanilla cookies, or chocolate cookies. I already have one here decorated with mini chocolate cookies. Now what we will do is place it in the freezer for several hours until it has a firm consistency. And here is our easy and fast Nutella chocolate pie. I invite you to prepare it and leave me your comments. I also invite you to share this video with your family and friends, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so that you can receive the notifications every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video.